So welcome back. Now we can start the code part of our project. But first of all, let's prepare our HTML file together. Then we can switch to the CSS file and start the visual section. So I've already created the basic parts of our HTML file. And I'll write grid CSS for my title. And I link the CSS file name with the link tag. Now we can start writing the code in the body section. So when we look at our page, the header comes up first. So there are sections about us, career, our products, and contact me. Now for this section, we will prepare an unordered list with the UL tag. When we press every word here, we're going to want to take up the relevant link. So we can create our list with li tags. Of course, we'll use a tag to go to related links. However, since this is a simple page, we're not going to provide individual links. Just add a # here. So let's repeat this for all of the list elements. All right, so our list is ready. And of course, we're going to need a container here to cover our list. So we usually use the div tag for that. However, we're going to use the nav tag. So just simply say the nav tag defines a set of navigation links. Instead of defining menu fields with a complexity of div class equals ID, this will allow us to define them only between the nav and nav tags. So sure enough, here we place our list between nav tag and so you want to back out and see what we're doing? So the first episode is ready. So how simple does that look without making any changes in CSS, right? All right, so now let's start part 2. There's a photograph and a paragraph here. Of course, again, we will add the photo and the paragraph between div tags. And I prepared photos and added them to the file here. I'll just enter this address in the src section, just like so. And then I'll add one paragraph. And more articles may have been added here, but you understand the logic, right? So let's back out and see what we're doing again. As if we should edit the width of the photo. Okay, so let's fix that right now. So, okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so now we come to the most beautiful part, part 3. So in this section, we're going to add photos. And like I said earlier, I've downloaded and prepared these photos before. So now let's add the photos with the img tag into the container. And when we look at it, our HTML file is pretty much ready. All right? So now we can start the CSS part. So in our next lesson, that's when we're going to start to color our page. I'll see you then. Goodbye for now.